Amam na nga nwolele anya mmiri ga-akwa nwa bịara ụwa na alele. God bless Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazi Uche Mefor. God bless all the good principal officers, and God bless IPOB worldwide. My names are Prince Williams Chukwubozomba, goes by stage name Don Prince, aka Sampemaster. I am not happy. Oh my brothers, we are not happy. We are annoyed. We are very sad. Oh, we are angry. Immediately we heard the announcement of the death our beloved mother, Lolo, Ugoeze Okwu-Kanu. Oh, it's heartbreaking. Oh, hallelujah. My condolences goes to you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike one of Biafra, and to your family. Mother is the most expensive being on earth. No one and nothing can fill the void created by the loss of our beloved Queen Mother, Lolo, Ugoeze Okwu-Kanu. My heartfelt condolence goes out to you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike Kaani, one of Biafra, and to your family. I will surely miss the presence of a truly lovable and kind Queen Mother, Lolo Ugoeze. May her soul rest in perfect peace. At this difficult time, we, the people of IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, pray to Almighty God, Chukwu-Okike, to grant you peace that you need to get through this. Take heart, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike Kaani one. This death is death for everyone. It's our beloved mother. Oh, I have an encounter with her, and I know she is truly a lovable and kind mother. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Take heart. All the IPOB will never forget this day. I personally, Don Prince, aka Sampemaster, will never forget this day. And it's my promise. I'm promising IPOB worldwide. I'm promising Lolo, Ugoeze Okwu-Kanu. I will never do anything to betray this cause, a Biafran cause. I will never do anything to betray this struggle, because it is because of this Biafra struggle that you left us. You fought very, very hard, very, very well to make sure that Biafra is restored. But finally, you left us. I know that you live with us in spirit. I know that you have not left us finally, that you are still with us in spirit. May your soul rest in peace. Biafra has come. With this your death, with this your depart, Biafra has come. It's a promise. I will never betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu till death. He is my supreme leader. God bless Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazi Uche Mefor. God bless all the good principal officers, and God bless IPOB worldwide. I'm still your humble servant, Don Prince, aka Sampemaster. I know many people will not understand what happened. Oh, our mommy died because of 28 grand soldiers, 28 children that the zoo government called Nigeria killed in her presence. It's never easy. It is not easy. But may her soul rest in perfect peace. My condolence goes to you and your family. Accept my condolence. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sampe to Biafrans. Sampe to the whole world. Sampe to my fans out there. And Sampe to Lolo, Ugoeze, Okwu-Kanu. May your soul rest in peace. He say.